So we'll see a DFT problem here. X of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Compute 4-point DFT. 3 methods. One is by direct method, linear transformation, another by FFT. Direct method is nothing but by definition. As you all know, definition, when n is greater than or equal to L, DFT of x of n is equal to capital X of k, sigma n equal to 0 to n minus 1, x of n e power minus j 2 pi k by capital N into small n, where k varies from 0 to n minus 1. Here capital N is the number of points of DFT, which is given as 4 in the problem. If it is not given, we have to take the length of this, which is 4. Okay, the length of the samples of x of n, we take it as L. When this condition is satisfied, n is greater than or equal to L, we can do the DFT. So here capital N is given as 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, and this 4 when you put 2 by 4 is pi k by 2 n, where k is equal to 0 to 3, because n is 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, so we have two variables here, one is n, another is k. So first we'll substitute k. We can do the other way also, n then k, but better first you put k is equal to 0. When you put k is equal to 0 here k becomes 0, so this becomes e power 0. Then put n equal to 0 to 3, so this becomes x of 0 plus x of 1 plus x of 2 plus x of 3. So from the given problem, x of 0 till x of 3 is given, add it. The first value by default is the value at origin, even though arrow mark is not given. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. Next you have to put k is equal to 1. Put k is equal to 1 here, so this becomes pi n by 2. Understood? Okay, so pi n by 2. Now put n equal to 0 to 3, so this becomes x of 0, this becomes 0, x of 1, put it 1, x of 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, summation, and you know e power minus j theta is cos theta minus j sin theta. Substitute. Clear? Dual purpose my videos. One, you can learn, other things you can take the notes from here also. Understood? Fine. Now x of 0 is 1 from the problem, x of 1 is 2, then cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1, all that stuff you know. Minus j into 1 is minus j, cos pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0. Substitute and get the value as minus 2 plus j2. Next we have to put k is equal to 2. When you put here k is equal to 2, 2 will get cancelled, e power minus j pi n. Then you have to put n equal to 0 to 3. Okay, as usual substitute, simplify and get the answer as minus 2. Similarly here also, finally when k is equal to 3, e power minus j 3 pi by 2. Okay, carefully do the simplification and get the answer as minus 2 minus j2. This is the final answer. 10 minus 2 plus j2 minus 2 minus 2 minus j2. And if they ask the magnitude and phase spectrum, you know, manually magnitude is nothing but for x, when x is equal to a plus ib, magnitude will be root of a square plus b squared, and phase will be tan inverse of b by a. All this manual no need. Calculator you can do. Rectangular to polar, r to p, it will be above plus sign. Okay, in Cal C 991 ms. Modulus of x of k. One basic here is, this is rectangular form a plus ib. That's the answer we got. We are converting the rectangular form to polar form, r angle theta. Okay, and this magnitude is r and this phase is theta. Okay, so this is by definition or direct method. Next is by linear transformation or using matrices. For that the formula is simplified to capital X of k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of k w n power kn, where w n power kn is called as phase factor or Twiddle factor, e power minus j2 by kn by n. This is the actual formula. This has been reduced to this. Okay, now so this also can be written as capital Xn is equal to wn small xn. Here we have 4 samples in this problem, 1 2 3 4. So we have n equal to 4, 4 cross 4 matrix. This is how you have to write 4 cross 4 matrix. First row, first column will be 1, phase factor matrix, and then write w suffix 4, all suffix 4 you write. Then you write the superscript 1 2 3 2 4 6 3 6 9. This is 4 cross 4 matrix. Now this is one property of the build factor. Wn power k plus n can be written as Wn power k. So all these big values can be reduced so that the calculation becomes simpler. W4 power 4 means I can write this 4 as 0 plus 4, and according to this property this becomes W4 power 0, which is 1, because e power 0 is 1. You can calculate and see. So in general Wn power 0 will be 1. Then W4 power 6 will be, we can write it as W4 power 2 plus 4. So according to this property this becomes W4 power 2. So W4 power 2 means, calculate here. I have done the calculation. W4 power 1 I have done here. E power minus j 2 pi 1 by 4. 2 4 cancel. E power minus j pi by 2, which is cos pi by 2, minus j sin pi by 2, which is cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1, which is minus j. Similarly we can do W4 power 2, all that, and finally W4 power 9 can be reduced as W4 power 5, in turn W4 power 1, which is minus j. Just now we saw this whole matrix has been simplified to this, and find the values of this, calculate the phase factor values and substitute and get the W4 matrix. In the exam you did not do all this simplification, okay? Directly you can write the matrix. Okay, if it carries more marks then you can do the simplification. If it's just 4 marks, you can write this matrix directly. W4 matrix, capital X4 is equal to W4 into X4, small x4. So first row, first column is 1, and then you know W4 1 is minus j. How to memorize this? Easily you can memorize this. Minus j, opposite is plus j. If this is minus j, this will be j minus j. Diamond is minus 1 and the center is 1. Small x is 1, 2, 3, 4. Calculate it, matrix multiplication, get the answer. This is the answer we got by definition 2. Okay, and finally 4-point f of t. 4-point, 8-point already we have seen in the previous videos. 4-point, we have two methods, dit and dif. So 4-point means, according to this concept, m is equal to 2, so we have two stages. One is 2-point, another is 4-point. So here in 4-point, what is a bit reversal? 0, 2, 1, 3. All these I did not explain. In the previous videos of 8-point you can refer, and we'll get the final answer, the same answer. And this is DIF. First is 4-point, another is 2 points. Here the input is normal order, output is bit reversal. Okay, kindly adjust. Camera I cannot fix it now. Maybe God's grace, future I can do that. X of k, capital X of k is the final answer, because this is capital X of 0, 2, 1, 3. Output is bit reversal in DIF, but here you write in normal order. Okay, and you can try this. Even X of n, e power n, j n pi by 2, do by all the 3 methods. So first here the sequence is not given. First find the sequence by putting n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 here. So e power 0 is 1, e power 1 means e power j pi by 2, okay, which is j. Like that, find the sequence. So for this sequence find 4-point f of t. Answer, if you want, I'll give the final answer. Final answer is 0, 4, 0, 0. Even I have done in matrices. Take care, all the best.